Get excited about the 2013 Infiniti M37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 25,000 miles. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Infiniti prioritized handling and performance with features such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.